you were being scammed and something about gift cards. And I know you're saying.
Peace? What? I can't pee?
You're detained for now, okay? We're just letting you sit down in AC.
You're already out $20,000, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
No, she withdrew $30,000 in cash.
A phone call claiming federal authority, an elderly victim who complied, a courier who collected, 3 participants, 1 criminal chain. Federal law assigns distinct criminal liability to each, but where exactly do those lines fall?
Hello, Sheriff's Office.
Hi.
Hi.
What did I do?
Nothing. Is it?
Yes.
My name's Deputy Phillips.
Hi.
Hi. We got a call, and it sounds like it was a scam call about like gift cards or something like that. Have you been in contact with anybody requesting you purchase like gift cards?
No.
No?
No. When I get phone calls, I do not answer them
Okay.
until I know
Who it is?
who it is. If they're under my contacts, then I will answer. But
Okay.
other than that, I do not. And when I get emails, I get PayPal and McAfee and all this. You sign up and all the transactions are complete. Then I go into
Okay.
my accounts
Yeah.
and everything's fine.
Okay. So you haven't been like getting contacted by someone to like send money in any sort of way?
No. Well, I guess I could tell you. I've been in contact with somebody from the FTC.
Okay.
On the other side. Well, no, he's from Tampa, I think.
Is his name
And then-
David?
No,
Okay.
Mark.
Mark? Okay.
And I have paperwork. It's originating from, I guess somebody got into my Social Security.
Okay.
That's what that's about.
So we got a call, and from our experience, the person who called is a scammer. The person who called said that you were being scammed and something about gift cards and this and that, and to make contact with you because you weren't talking with them. And I guess they were trying to help you in some sort of way, right? So that's the call we got. So what I just want to make sure is that you're not actually being scammed from anything. The
I
thing
can
with,
show you the paperwork that I have so far.
is that with the FTC?
FTC, yes.
About Social Security?
Yes, they
Okay.
got into my
So-
Social Security.
So let me first ask you, have you had to send them any money?
Yes.
Okay. Send the FTC money? Or
Somebody comes here from wherever
uh-huh.
and collects a box that I put the money in.
And collects a box that you
And
put the money
I
in?
send a
Okay.
picture off to this Mark,
Okay.
and I believe Friday I'm to be open between 9 and 12 to get a new Social Security number.
Okay. Are you going down to like the Social Security office?
No, they're apparently going to bring it here. That I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't get particulars on that.
Mm-hmm.
All I know is the person, I don't know the name,
Okay.
but the person that got into my Social Security opened 3 or 4 accounts in my name.
Okay.
Pharmaceutical,
Uh-huh.
guns, bullets, and whatever else.
Okay.
And he said it was about $500,000.
Okay. Is
And
what he
they are
had told
taking
you.
him, they serve a warrant
Okay.
today, and they go into the house, I
Uh-huh.
believe, and then the bank where he set up the accounts under my Social Security number.
Okay.
Did I do wrong?
It sounds to me that so my understanding is that FTC never really contacts anybody about any sort of fraud, right? It would be someone from like if there was something wrong with your Social Security, it would be someone from the actual Social Security like office. Okay, nothing with the FTC.
Do you want to see? Ooh, another one.
That's just
My God. Ooh.
Yeah,
Now the neighbors are really going to talk. Can I show you what I got? so far?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, that's just my supervisor.
My camera in the car by accident.
Yeah, she's definitely getting scammed. So she
Okay. Yeah, that
briefly
number came
got
back
into
to
it. So I'm
AT&T
gonna
number, or excuse me, T-Mobile.
yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the whole thing, but
Okay.
briefly, like she's been putting money in a box, and people have been coming and grabbing it. So.
Okay, and then
Yep.
they're pretending that we're here to get her or something.
It doesn't even sound like that. She's not aware of anything like that. So I don't know why this guy called. So,
So
but
they've been coming and getting the money out of the box.
yeah, you put it in what? Just like a little cardboard box, Janette?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Where do you put the box, Janette?
They come to get it.
Do you
Hand
put
it to them?
Yes.
Okay. If you saw a picture of them, would you be able to say yeah, it's them?
I only saw the passenger. He's the one who got out. Oriental, dark hair.
But if you saw the person who got out,
I think I could.
okay, and you physically handed him the
This
box?
is what I
Yeah.
got.
Okay. Yeah, what I would do is do a canvas when you're done with this.
She's got a bunch of cameras too. So.
She does too?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, this would be a good case.
Oh.
So, yeah, so anytime, I hate to interrupt you guys are doing your own thing. I got to go other places. I'm just supervising a little bit. He'll help you out. These people are scamming you out of money, and they're pretending they're us, or pretending, because you can easily make a phone number look like someone else's phone number.
Yeah, I never thought of that.
And that's what they're doing. We would never ask for money or nothing like that from you. So we're going to do our best here today to catch these individuals that are
He's
scamming.
supposed to call back,
Okay. Yeah,
or somebody's supposed to come here and pick up.
Okay.
So
He tried to call us and have him try to tell us what's going on. He's a scammer.
Yeah.
And he's trying to pretend he's not a scammer, right?
and I have a picture of him.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go through all of that with you.
Hey, put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. Don't move. Stop. Hands up. Put your hands behind your back. Now. Don't move. Don't move, dude. I'm telling you, don't move. Is this him who you gave the money to before? Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. All right, give us a second, okay?
Hey, where's this other guy at?
Spanish.
Who?
Spanish.
Huh?
You speak Spanish?
No. You speak Spanish?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Sí.
Looks like you're speaking English right now. Where's your other guy at?
I only speak Spanish.
Okay. Where's your other guy at?
No, I don't know.
Okay, bro. All right. Bro, you just replied to him. You speak English, bro. Well, why are we playing games right now? You think I'm stupid, bro? Where's your other guy at?
No, I only one call.
Yeah, he speaks Spanish. Yeah. No English.
Hey, chill with the fake stuff, bro. We're not brand new. Stop. Okay? Thanks. I deal with this all the time. I was a detective for a long time. So the faster you stop pretending you don't speak English, the faster we can figure this out. Okay? Sounds good?
Okay.
Okay.
I can peace.
What?
Peace.
I know what you're saying, dude.
No, peace. What? I can peace?
Pee?
Yeah, peace.
No.
Not right now. No, you should have peed before. Now all of a sudden you got to pee? Come on, dude.
You can put this in the back of his car for now. No, him. Yeah. Okay.
We'll search him and put him in the back.
I can off the car.
Hey, you don't gotta talk, bro. You don't speak English, right? So you're good for now.
¿Puedo pagar el...?
Make sure he doesn't have anything on him real quick.
Vamos a verle.
Just stay this one.
Yeah, we got a PID them too, as the one from the last time.
Good.
You're detained for now, okay? We're just letting you sit down in AC.
Is that marked?
Yeah,
Okay.
keeps calling.
You're already out $20,000, right?
Yep.
Yes.
No, she withdrew $30,000 in cash today. He was coming to pick it up in a box, like he took the 20 grand last time. Give him a second. He's gonna keep calling over and over again. He's freaking out. So technically, we get the power now. This guy is scared. So it's a good feeling. Let him sit there.
We'll let him be scared, okay, Jeanette? You feeling okay? Okay.
It is stressful.
All right. Well, do what you want. If you want to stand out here or hang inside, it's gonna take us a second to get this all sorted, okay? Okay.
Hey, dude, you speak English, right? Obviously.
Spanish.
Spanish?
English.
You speak English? You speak good Spanish?
Yeah.
¿Tú entiendo español?
Sí, español.
Okay. Mi amigos hablas más español que mi aquí 5-20 minutos.
Okay.
Okay. ¿Tú también hablas mi amigos?
Sí, habla muy bien español.
Okay. All right. Mi amigos, maybe aquí 5-20 minutos. Okay. Just por favor, just aquí. We'll get it figured out together. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. He searched them. Everything's good. Yep. Okay. All right, man. 1 minute. Okay. Where's this phone I'm hearing?
I can
On his hood.
Oh, okay.
Original.
Piss?
Original.
Bro, don't pee in the car.
No, want to. I can keep this.
I don't understand.
Quiero orinar.
What language do you speak?
Speak Spanish. And what?
Orinar.
Orinan?
Yeah, please.
Please?
Please.
Pee? Like pee?
Yeah,
You
please.
need to go pee?
Yeah.
Dude.
That's pretty poor timing,
In a
dude.
minute. Right now, I can't take you to go pee. This is a person's home. Whose number is that? Do you see it? Get it on your body camera.
Oh, it's his brother.
Love that.
Brother PR T-Mobile.
Okay.
Hermano?
Ya, hermano.
¿Tu hermano?
Ya.
¿Habla teléfono?
Sí, teléfono. Phone.
¿Es tu hermano tu trabajo?
Huh?
I don't know. No sé. Un momento. Mi amigo habla español, okay?
Okay,
All right. We'll shut it just so you can hang out.
And you always, well, I guess why you originally came to the door was because you got a call.
Someone called and
For
claimed
a scam.
they were a YouTube scam exposure, like they're trying to protect people from scams. In my history and knowledge, that they sometimes do that to try to dissuade law enforcement or trick them and give them just some BS answer. Meanwhile, it's actually the scammer on the other line. Today, knowing that that's what it was, I had him come talk to you and see if you were a victim of a fraud.
Well, he asked me if I did something with gift cards or something like that.
What was
And
he
I
saying?
said
He said,
no.
what did he say he was? FBI or something?
Well, he got notified by Walmart of a scam. Somebody was trying to charge my account Xbox, and Walmart notified
And what did he need?
him.
Why did he need $30,000 from you?
He never really said.
He said you need to give me $30,000
Well, today, yeah.
for
the
what?
other day it was 20, and I had to go into accounts just to get it. He knew the accounts.
What did he trick you? How did he trick you though?
Jeez, I don't know.
I mean, you're not free and voluntarily giving this guy money, right?
No.
Okay, all right.
No.
How did he trick her? What was he saying?
He was an FTC agent. Sent a
Oh,
photo
he's a
of
fraud
FTC.
agent.
Yep, a fraud
And-
agent.
Is that the
He
photo
said-
of who he sent you?
He sent me a photo and
fake ID.
paperwork. Fake ID.
So he
and-
pretended he was with the Federal Trade Commission,
Yes,
that you were a
and he
scam?
wouldn't do anything wrong,
Yep.
and because I did question him.
Is that why he comes up here with the fake security code as if he's FTC?
Yeah, this
Yep.
is his fake security code, 9420, and this guy's name is Tom.
His name is not Tom.
Can a courier plead ignorance of a crime he was paid to execute? What constitutional rights govern a suspect caught in an active sting operation? And when the orchestrator is invisible, what legal tools can reach them? Terry v. Ohio, 392, U.S. 1968 established the reasonable suspicion standard for brief investigative detention. The test requires specific and articulable facts that criminal activity is afoot, evaluated under the totality of the circumstances. Reasonable suspicion and probable cause are distinct legal thresholds. Under Illinois v. Gates, 462, U.S. 213, 1983, probable cause requires a fair probability that evidence of a crime will be found. This is the arrest threshold. The Fourth Amendment distinction between a Terry stop and a custodial arrest determines what evidence is admissible and what constitutional protections apply. Courts look beyond the label police assigned to the encounter to assess its actual character. 18 U.S.C. Section 912 prohibits falsely assuming the identity of a federal officer or agency to obtain money or anything of value. Each count carries up to 3 years imprisonment. The FTC does not contact citizens by phone, collect cash, or issue replacement social security numbers. 18 U.S.C. Section 1343, the wire fraud statute, applies to any scheme using interstate electronic communications to defraud. Each telephone call in furtherance of the scheme is a separately chargeable count carrying up to 20 years imprisonment per violation. Under United States sentencing guidelines, Section 3A1.1, targeting an unusually vulnerable victim, including elderly persons, requires a mandatory upward sentencing departure. This enhancement applies regardless of the underlying charge and cannot be waived by plea agreement. The Elder Abuse Prevention and Prosecution Act, Pub. L. 11570, 2017, mandates enhanced penalties when victims are 65 or older, requires DOJ to designate elder justice coordinators, and directs prioritized prosecutorial resources to these cases. 18 U.S.C. Section 1956A1 defines money laundering as conducting a financial transaction involving proceeds of specified unlawful activity while knowing those funds derive from crime with intent to promote or conceal that activity. Wire fraud is a listed predicate offense. The prosecution is not required to prove the defendant knew the specific predicate offense. United States v. Campbell 977 F.2d 854 4th 1993 willful blindness deliberately avoiding knowledge of obvious criminal facts satisfies the section 1956 knowledge element. Kymel v. California 395 U.S. 752 969 authorizes a warrantless search of the arrested person and the area within immediate control at the time of arrest. Physical evidence recovered during a constitutionally lawful arrest requires no warrant and is fully admissible. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 436 1966 requires that a suspect in custody be advised of the right to silence and the right to counsel before interrogation begins. Statements obtained before Miranda advisement in a custodial setting are subject to suppression. Manson v. Brathwaite 432 U.S. 98 1977 established the 5-factor eyewitness reliability test. Factors assessed: opportunity to observe, degree of attention, accuracy of prior description, certainty at identification, and elapsed time between the event and the identification. Lesson 1. No federal agency, including the FTC, FBI's, or Social Security Administration, will ever contact a citizen by phone to request cash, gift cards, or physical funds. There are no exceptions. Any such request is fraudulent by definition. Lesson 2. A money mule who transports criminal proceeds for compensation bears full criminal liability under 18 U.S.C. section 1956 without requiring knowledge of the specific predicate offense. Physical distance from scheme organizers provides no legal insulation under federal law. The subjective intent defense in money laundering cases is evaluated objectively. Courts apply a reasonable person's standard. What should the defendant have known given all observable circumstances, not what he claims he personally believed. Federal wire fraud jurisdiction and conspiracy doctrine under 18 U.S.C. section 371 can reach co-conspirators regardless of physical location or national borders. Whether those tools are sufficient to reach the architects of this scheme is the open question.